Angles formed by a transversal. According to our research, when two parallel lines are given in a figure, there are two main areas, the interior and the exterior. When two parallel lines are cut by a third line, the third line is called the transversal.
How quickly I come undone, like melting ice on the sun. Why would I stop when I'm falling free in a midnight daydream? Oh, you watch me and I'm exposed, like lightning bolts in my bones. Why would I stop when I'm falling free in a midnight
Given that A is parallel to D, parallel to E, and B is parallel to C, prove that angle 4 is congruent and has the same measure as angle 12.
Given that A is parallel to D, and D is parallel to E, and B is parallel to C, angle 7 and angle 12 are alternate exterior angles, which fall under the theorem parallel alternate exterior angle theorem, which is when any pairs of alternate exterior angles are congruent. Angles 4 and 5, as well as angle 5 and 7, are same side interior angles. Same side interior angles are angles inside of the transversal that are on the same side and are always supplementary. The measure of angle 4 and the measure of angle 5 equals 180, and the measure of angle 7 and the measure of angle 5 equals 180 as well. This falls under the parallel interior angles on the same side theorem, which says that any pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are always supplementary or equal to 180. Measure of angle 4 plus measure of angle 5 equals measure of angle 5 plus measure of angle 7. This is transitive property. In transitive property, if A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. Measure of angle 7 equals the measure of angle 12. These are congruent angles. Congruent angles are angles that have the same measures. The measure of angle 4 equals the measure of angle 7. This is addition property of equality, where if A equals B, then A plus C equals B plus C. Measure of angle 4 equals measure of angle 12. This again is transitive property, wherein if two geometric objects are congruent to a third geometric object, then they are congruent to each other. Having seen all of this, we can now say that angle 4 has the same measure or is congruent to angle 12.